Hi everyone! Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Hello, hello, hello. Happy Wednesday sa inyong lahat. Welcome sa La Luna Tarot. This is Maria, your intuitive tarot reader. So, kamusta kayo guys? Kamusta sa aking mga viewers? Okay, so umpisahan natin ang ating reading right now for a short announcement para po doon sa mga nanalo ng ating free 30-minute personal reading. Um, check yung description box po ng videos na ating recently na na-upload. Meron pong Gmail doon. So, Gmail po yun nila Luna. Doon kayo magsisend ng details para po masabi sa inyo ng admin kung how to claim your personal reading. Okay? So, aantayin ko po kayo until July 31 or end of July, okay? To claim your reading. Pag hindi po ninyo na-claim, mababoid na po siya. So, sayang naman. Okay? So, maraming maraming salamat and congratulations again dun sa apat na ating winners. Okay, so magandang gabi. Kamusta ang inyong araw? I hope maayos kayo or nasa maayos kayong kalagayan. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na kung medyo magulo yung ating table. Okay. So, sisimulan natin yung reading natin right now. This is a pick a card reading, okay? A love reading. So, titingnan natin, sino ba tong person na to na gustong magtapat sa iyo? Okay. Let's check. Sino ba tong person na to na gustong magsabi sa iyo, magtapat sa iyo, o pwedeng mag-confess, okay? Ng nararamdaman niya. Titingnan natin kung ano yung sasabihin niya. Okay, so I will be using 3 different decks for this reading. Okay? So, again, sa harapan ninyo, we have pile number 1. So, this is pile number 1 and this is pile number 2. Okay. Sino yung person na gusto magtapat sa inyo? Sino itong person na ito gusto mag-confess sa'yo? Okay, this is pile number 1 and this is pile number 2. This is a short pick of card reading. Take what's resonate, okay? And leave the rest para dun sa mga nanonood kasi this is a general reading. So, different energy, again, yung ating makukuha. Whether this is resonated or hindi, okay lang. Huwag ipilit kung hindi mag-resonate. Okay, guys? So, napakahalaga na maging open mind kayo when you picking your pile. Meditate para makuha ninyo yung pile na talagang para sa inyo. Okay? So, again, this is pile number 1 and this is pile number 2. Pili na kayo ng pile. Meditate. I will give you seconds to choose your pile. So, pili na kayo, guys. This is pile number 1. This is pile number 2. Sino ang gustong magtapat sa'yo, mag-confess sa'yo? Ano yung sasabihin niya sa'yo? Okay? So, choose your pile now. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na yung tahol ng aming aso kasi marami kaming pets. Okay, kung nakapili na kayo ng pile, let's start with pile number 1. Okay. Pile number 1. Kung ito yung napili mo, tingnan natin tong person na to na gustong mag-confess, magtapat sa'yo. Ano yung gusto niyang sabihin? So, pwedeng makuha natin yung energy from the past, energy sa mga susunod na araw, or currently. Okay? So, mahalaga, again, maging open ka. Sa aking mga viewers, pile number 1. Ang iyong luminous astro deck ay Venus. Love. Meron akong unang-unang na rinig na Don Romantico. Sweet. Okay. Love. Beautiful can be a Leo. hopeless romantic, okay, charming, uh, can be a pleasure. This is a pleasure, or someone is in love, or sobra-sobra ang attraction towards you, or po pwedeng ikaw yon. Okay? Romanticize the word love. Okay? Someone is in love here. Venus. Or siguro talagang sobrang ano lang. Sobrang mapagmahal. Libra. Pero ano kung narinig na Libra, literally this is about love. Pero po pwedeng love sa friend, love sa family, love sa partner. So malalaman natin yon. Okay? Kung anong love, kung kaninong love ba yan. Or love yourself. Okay? So titingnan natin whether this is love para sa sarili, self-love. You are in a journey of self-love. Okay? Or you are in love right now. Or someone is in love sa'yo. Pile number 1. So malalaman natin yun. Someone here is yung favorite flower is rose, or can be your name is Rose if you are a feminine. Okay. Favorite color is red. Oh, can be a friendship. This is ano may nakikita kong emotion. In love. So, let's see. Sino ang gusto magtapat sa aking file number 1? Sino ang gustong magtapat sa aking file number 1? Sino ang gustong mag-confess ng emotion sa aking file number 1? Uy. Uy, death. Can be a Scorpio. Kasi death card. Okay, death. Or can be endless. Okay. Pag sinabing endless love. Okay. Walang kamatayang pagmamahal. Okay. Or hindi maiiwasan, inevitable. Okay. Or with some kind of suicidal love, or parang love na nakamamatay. Patay na patay. Can be. Mahal na mahal. Okay. So sorry ha. If you see this card, there is a rose here and rose. Okay? Makikita ninyo. So, can be someone here is trigger warning. So, sorry if mag-resonate sa ito is po pwedeng thinking or merong partner or person na already departed. Okay. And hindi ko alam bakit may part sa akin right now na parang nagiging emotional. I don't know. Bakit nagiging emotional ako right now? Yung pakiramdam. Okay. Stubbornness. Stubborn, matigas ang ulo. Arrogant. Selfness. Po pwedeng ano ha, meron akong narinig na po pwedeng hindi naman siya gusto ng other person pero or hindi nasusuklian yung love na ibinibigay nung other person doon sa specific person. Stubbornness, ano pagiging, alam mo yon, yung hard-headed, matigas ang ulo, hindi nakikinig sa sinasabi ng iba or sa payo. Okay? O, 'di ba? Live and learn, experience, training, development. It can be someone here is hindi nakikinig siguro sa sinasabi ng iba. Basta mahal niya yung person, susundin niya yung nararamdaman niya. Okay, with this love card. Meron akong nakita na Knight of Cups or Page of Cups. These cards or tarot card, yung energy nun is someone na susundin yung nararamdaman. Um, whether hindi logical or parang hindi wise na gawin. O pwedeng someone here is pagdadaanan muna yung ganong klaseng love, sobrang dami. Ganong klaseng love in order for you to grow, to learn, okay? Memory. Oh, number 20, memory. Remembrance, commemoration, reunion, okay? Someone here is sobrang dami ng energy ano ko. Someone here is remembering someone who already departed or passes away or namatay. Okay. Looking into photos, remembering yung lost love niya, yung sumakabilang buhay na po pwedeng loved ones niya. Okay. And someone here siguro is nasa process ng grieving. Okay. Siguro po pwedeng recently lang nangyari yung someone already departed. I'm so sorry to hear that. Okay. And you are in the process of um alam mo yun, pinaprocess mo yung emotions mo. You're looking into photos, remembering that person, whether this is a love connection, a family member, a friend, okay? Let's see. Sino ang gustong magtapat sa aking card number 1? Right. Ceremony. Di ba? Ceremony, mystery, magic. Okay. Let's see. Oh, 'di ba? For some of you, love is a self-love. Okay? Self-healing. Someone here is healing from yun nga, yun sa nangyari. Pwedeng nawalan ng loved one. Okay? Independence, ibig sabihin, naging byudo, naging single kasi nawala yung loved one. Okay? Or yung partner, literally. Okay? Nahihirapan mag-move on. Meron akong nakitang nahihirapan mag-move on sa situation. Someone here is parang third wheel. Ah. O pwedeng this person na gusto mag-confess sa'yo is someone na inilagay ka sa third party? O pwedeng ganon? Pero hindi ka nakikinig? Siguro may nagsasabi sa'yo na this person puts you on a third party, si ganito, inilagay ka niya sa may iba pero hindi ka nakikinig, you are being stubborn. Siguro may nagko-confess sa'yo, may nagsasabi sa'yo na, uy, si ano, cursed. Oh my gosh. May nagsasabi sa'yo siguro na si ganito, si Pedro, gustong mag-confess sa'yo na may ibang babae. For some of you ha, take what's resonate. And you are being stubborn, parang hindi mo mahal yung sarili mo, kasi sobrang mahal mo tong person na to. Parang mamamatay ka kapag ka, alam mo yun, kapag ka iniwanan ka. It can be. Let's see. Someone here is cursing. Let's see ha. Sino gusto magtapat sa akin pa number 1? Strategy. Strategize. Okay. Planning. Okay. Planning to confess. Planning to sabihin sa'yo. Okay. For some of you, there is a person from the past who puts you in a third party that wants to confess or nagpa-plan na mag-confess sa'yo. This person reminiscing your connection, so magkasama pa kayo, kayo pa, can be an ex, okay, with the death card here. And siguro ikaw is nag-process ka, nag-self-heal ka na, okay, self-healing. So, Venus, love, you are already loving yourself, okay. This person is hindi maka-move on. O pwedeng this person is iniisip niya na kinursed mo siya dahil dun sa ginawa niya sa'yo. O, di ba? Eternal love with the death card here. Eternal love. Minahal mo tong person na to. This person po pwedeng see you as a soulmate. Po pwedeng this person is nagsisisi na. This person na gusto mag-confess, magtapat sa'yo. Nagsisisi na to dun sa ginawa niya. Ginawa niya sa'yo. Robbery, o di ba? Exploit. Unfairness, di ba? Siguro yung love mo dito sa person na to is nawala na. And this person is na-realize niya kung ano yung worth mo. Okay? Na-realize niya kung ano yung worth mo. This person puts you in a third party. This person, na-realize na ikaw yung eternal love niya, ikaw yung soulmate niya. Sino gusto magtapat sa akin para number 1? Okay. Siguro before tong person na to, marami na nagsasabi sa'yo ng about dito sa person na to, pero hindi mo pinapakinggan kasi nga, minahal mo tong person na to. Okay? Mas minahal mo siya kaysa sa sarili mo. Okay? Kumbaga, hindi ka naniniwala dun sa sinasabi ng iba. Kahit marami na sigurong nagsasabi sa'yo na itong person na to is niloloko ka. Nakalimutan mo yung sarili mo, minahal, kasi mas minahal mo tong person na to. This person is naging unfair. Okay? Naging unfair. Seven of Swords, nakita ko dito, this person is being sneaky. Naging sinungaling sa'yo, nagsinungaling sa'yo, niloko ka. Okay? Nang patago. Trap, di ba? Pwedeng this person is tinrik ka niya, tinrik. Niloko, manipulate. Okay, with the trap card here, pwedeng this person is kinakarma na and feeling niya, kinurse siya or karma na yun dun sa ginawa niya dahil sa'yo. Kaya gusto mag-confess ito, gusto mag-sorry. Mag-apologize. Okay? It can be you are in a glow up kasi you already love yourself, you start healing, okay? And this person sees you as very beautiful with the Venus card. Okay, Venus is parang kung titingnan mo very feminine. Feminine na feminine. Okay? This person is trapped. Feeling isolated, depressed, distressed, okay? Dahil dun sa ginawa niya sa'yo. Uy. Sobrang dami. This person, yung iba sa inyo, this person, iniisip na kinurse mo siya. You put a spell on him. Evidence. Okay. Inisip siguro tong person na to na baka kinurse mo siya, nilagyan mo siya ng spell or ng ritual, something like that. Kaya, siguro may nangyayari sa kanya ngayon. O pwedeng may sakit. This person is nakakaranas ngayon ng difficulty. Pero kasi this person is sneaky. Alliance, trust, honest, di ba? You trust this person, di ba? You trusted this person, pero kasi ako nakikita na this person is a manipulator with a strategy card here. Manipulate. Pinaglalaruan ka, parang ganon. This person know how to sway you. This person is pinagkatiwalaan mo with the alliance here. You trust this person. Okay? Honest ka dito sa person na to, pero hindi same yung energy na ibinibigay niya sa'yo. Kasi sneaky tong person na to eh. And with the evidence card here, pwede sigurong pwedeng pinahula mo to kung nagloloko to. Baka talagang totoo yun na lumapit ka sa nag-read para malaman kung nanloloko ba talaga tong person na to. Coach, di ba? Advice, di ba? You ask advice pwedeng sa mas nakakatanda sa'yo, okay? Or someone na may alam, okay? Very intuitive, or someone na nakakapagbasa din ng cards or nakakakita din ng mga hidden. Okay? Bottom of the deck is sweetheart. Pwedeng meron kayong malalim na ugnayan na itong person, strong foundation, matagal ng magkarelasyon, di ba? Coach, advice, di ba? Knowledge. So, pwedeng you ask someone, humingi ka ng advice to someone, okay? Pwedeng ang someone na marunong magbasa, intuitive, high priestess, okay? Someone na pwedeng tarot reader or manghuhula, can be. So, let's see. Kaya mo nalaman siguro na this person is nagloloko. Okay. So, sino ang gusto magtapat sa akin file number 1? King of Wands, fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay. This person is a good-looking person. Pwedeng ginamit niya yung looks niya. Okay? Po, pwedeng this is a heartbreaker. Di ba? Romantiko, don romantiko, boy romantiko. A finesse, finessa or someone na ano nga bang card tawag doon? Yung card sa archetype yun eh. Nakalimutan ko na kung anong card yun. Basta someone na um, mabulaklak magsalita. O pwedeng ni-love bomb ka nitong person na to. Ginamit niya yung charm niya. Okay? Para ma-manipulate ka. This person is very controlling. Okay? Very controlling also. Okay. Two of Pentacles, 'di ba? Juggle. This person juggle you with another person. Okay. With the third wheel here or third party, this person juggle you with other choices. Okay. Hindi ka ginawang priority nitong person na to. Ginawa ka niyang option. Sa madaling salita. Ito yung person na gusto mag-confess sa'yo. O pwede sigurong gusto mag-sorry sa'yo. Kasi you are in a process of healing or self-love right now. You can be very beautiful nga, sabi ko nga kanina. Sino gusto mag-confess sa aking file number 1? Let's see. Thank you. The Lover's card. O, diba? Lover's card. Hindi niya na-recognize na yung love na ibinigay mo sa kanya is eternal love, true love, yung pinakita mo sa kanya. O pwedeng ginawa kang option nito and siguro akala niya grass is greener on the other side. Okay. Siguro na-realize niya nagkamali siya. Naniloko ka niya. Kasi you are very pwedeng mapagmahal. Okay. This person is na-realize niya na mahal ka pala niya. Kaso I feel na yung iba sa inyo tumataas ang kilay and sinasabing it's too late. Can be this is a friend muna bago naging lovers. Okay. Six of Cups. From the past. Reminiscing. With the memory card here. Reminiscing. This person is reminiscing. Looking photos. Babasahin ulit yung mga text messages or chats ninyo nung palitan ng salita. Okay. Being nostalgic. Okay. Pwedeng matagal mo na itong kilala. You have a strong foundation dito sa person na to. The World card. Kahit with this person is nasa malayo. Okay, or sa internet mo nakilala. It can be also sa internet mo nakilala online with the World card. Okay, pwedeng ibang lahi itong person na to. Okay. The cycle between the two of you is already completed with the Death card here and the World card. So, completed na siya. Tapos na siya. Nag-end na. Let's see. Sino gusto mag-confess ito sa akin mga file number 1? Tapos na completed na yung ano ninyo eh. Yung cycle ninyong parehas. This person is nagsisisi. Okay? O, diba? Kakasabi ko lang kanina, with a robbery here, 7 of Swords lumabas, betrayal. This person betrayed you, being deceptive, okay? dishonest sa'yo. Hindi naging tapat, hindi naging totoo. Pile number 1. Sneaky. Kakasabi ko lang kanina, di ba, with the robbery here. Di ba? 7 of Swords. Naramdaman ko si energy kanina. Yung sneakiness. Okay? Sinungaling, pagpanggap, okay? Scheme or scammer po, pwedeng ganun. Scheme. Di ba? Kasi with the strategy here, ini-strategy kung paano ka makukuha niya, paano kanya mapapasunod sa gusto niyang mangyari, di ba? Deceptive kaya yun, pagiging deceptive yun. Di ba? Ginawa kanyang option. Akala siguro kasi nitong person na to na lahat makukuha niya. Na hindi mo malalaman yung totoo. You can be very intuitive if you're a Scorpio or a water sign. Intuitive person. 9 of Cups. Diba? This connection, pile number 1 dito sa person na to, is a 9 of Cups, wish fulfillment. Okay? Genuine love yung meron ka para dito sa person na to. Kasi you forget yourself. Dahil mas minahal mo siya, mas pinagtuunan mo yung relationship ninyong dalawa. Okay? And right now, you are abundant. Okay? Emotionally, you are happy. Pwedeng you are single right now. You are happy alone. Okay? You are in the process of self-love and self-healing. Okay? Mas pinapahalagan mo na yung sarili mo ngayon and you know your worth. And pwedeng ikaw yung klase ng person na right now is alam mo na maglagay ng boundary. Pwedeng lumapit ka sa isang coach or someone na psychologist o counselor. Pwedeng na-depress ka, okay? You feeling na parang namatay ka, dead inside. Lumapit ka sa isang counselor, sa therapist, na tumulong sa'yo to gain yourself ulit, okay? This person is selfish. Okay? 9 of Cups also signifies selfish. Okay? Sino gustong magtapat sa aking pile number 1? Oh, thank you. O, di ba? Page of Cups. Ano yung sinabi ko kanina? Di ba? 7 of Swords, binanggit ko kanina, and then Page of Cup right now. Di ba? This person wants to offer ngayon yung cup niya, yung emotion niya sa'yo. Gusto niya ngayon mag-confess at sabihin yung talagang nararamdaman niya. Kaso kasi, this person is sneaky. And kung nagkamali siya noon at niloko ka niya, pwede niyang gawin ulit yun sa'yo. Hindi naman sa nagiging judgmental tayo, guys, ha? Pero kasi, this is a don romantico. A finesse. Okay? Mabulaklak magsalita. Pwedeng can be a love bomber. Okay? This person wants to offer his cup or her cup sa'yo ngayon. Huh? Bottom of the deck is the Empress. Okay. Empress is pinakamataas na when it comes to feminine. Okay. One of the pinaka-highest Empress. You can be a Taurus, earth sign. Okay. And this person is a fire sign. Okay. Empress also parang kaakibat niya is Venus or a love. Kasi malakas ang divine energy, feminine energy ng Empress card. Okay? Beautiful, nurturing. You can be very earth sign, no? Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus, very maalaga. Huh? Very maalaga. Maasikaso. Huh? Pero hindi ka pinahalagahan nitong person na to eh. Already ended na yung cycle ninyo, kaya nagre-reminisce tong person na 'to. Ikaw yung great love niya. Hindi niya siguro na-realize yun. Okay? So, let's see. Ano ba yung gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo? Pile number 1. Ano bang gusto sabihin nitong person na 'to? Ano gusto niyang confess? Okay, let's see. Sinong gusto mag-confess? Anong gusto i-confess nitong person na to? If I asked you to stay, would you leave? Hmm. Ngayon, gusto ka na niya ngayon magstay. Ngayon, gusto ka na niya ngayon na, alam mo yun, bumalik sa kanya, makipagbalikan. Diba? Let's see. Ano pa yung gustong sabihin nitong person na to sa aking file number 1? Have I lost everything? Huh? Tanong niya kung tuluyan na bang wala ng pag-asa, na wala na ba talaga yung pagmamahal with the death card here? Wala na ba talagang love? Have I lost everything? So, tinatanong ka niya, wala na ba daw talaga? Wala na raw bang natitira na emotion or love? Ano pang gustong sabihin itong person na to sa ating file number 1? Anong gustong sabihin itong person na to sa ating file number 1? I left because you told me to. Okay. If I follow you, I could lose everything. Okay. Umalis daw siya kasi sabi mo, pwedeng ikaw ang nag-insist na makipaghiwalay na kasi nalaman mo yung katotohanan. Okay, pwede nga nag-cheat pa to sa kaibigan mo. Okay, or nag-cheat to sa malapit pa sa'yo. Okay. Pwedeng ikaw to na nagsasabi na if I follow you, I could lose everything na na-achieve mo na. For example, you love yourself, pwedeng mag-back to zero ka na naman. Kasi nga, babalik na naman ulit eh. So, parang sinasabi mo na, bakit gusto pang pagdaanan ulit yung nangyari kung ganun yung kinalabasan? Diba? Light. So, naliwanagan ka na. You are the light. O pwedeng with the candle here, ikaw yung liwanag or ikaw yung nag-guide sa kanya. O pwedeng ikaw nag-a-advise ka din dito sa person na to, tinutulungan mo to sa decision making, always mong pinapangaralan, pinapayuhan. You can be you can be a good friend din dito sa person na to. Hindi iba ang turing mo sa kanya. Kaya sobra ka nasaktan nung niloko ka niya. I'm too afraid to talk. Natatakot siya mag-confess sa'yo, makipag-usap. I'm too afraid to talk. Diba? Another confirmation that this person want to confess. Gusto makipag-usap sa'yo. May gustong sabihin. Diba? I am addicted to you. This person is obsessed sa'yo. Huh? No-obsessed na siya ngayon sa'yo kasi siguro before, ikaw yung naghahabol sa kanya. Ikaw yung parang nag-i-insist palagi. Ngayon, kinat mo na siya. Kaya ngayon, this person is yung naghahabol ngayon. I'm afraid to talk to you. Guys, tingnan nyo ha. I'm too afraid to talk. I'm too afraid to talk to you. Natatakot siya. Makapag-usap sa inyo kasi mamaya i-cut off mo siya. I feel the same way. Pwedeng ikaw to, and number one, you are afraid to talk to this person. Huh? Bottom of the deck is, I think we should see other people. So, pwedeng ikaw to, pen number one, you don't want this person, ayaw mo na sa kanya. Ayaw mo na siyang i-entertain. Ayaw mo nang i-open yung sarili mo sa kanya. Ayaw mo nang makipag-usap pa. Or even as a friend, ayaw mo nang ituring na friend tong person na to. Kasi para saan pa? Cycle is already end. Nag-ended na. 'Di ba? Hindi ka naman niya pinahalagahan. O pwedeng yun na sinasabi niyo eh. Hindi mo niya ako pinahalagahan eh. So bakit ko pa siya pag-aaksayahan ng oras? O pwedeng yun ang sinasabi mo ngayon. Okay. So file number one, I hope nag-resonate sa inyo yung ating reading right now na sino gusto mag-confess sa inyo pero this person is too afraid to talk to you. Okay, so kung nag-resonate sa iyo to, kindly comment down below. Okay? And kung gusto ninyong magpa-schedule ng personal reading, you may check the description box. Meron doong Gmail kung saan kayo magsisend or magre-request ng personal reading para ma-accommodate kayo and may schedule kayo. Okay? So, sa ating mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, you may consider subscribing sa ating channel kung nag-resonate sa inyo to para mas lalong lumaki pa yung community natin. Okay. So, hindi ko napapatagalin. Pwede kayong manood ng file number 2 kung hindi resonated sa inyo to. So, I will go to file number 2. Maraming salamat, file number 1. File number 2. Pasensya na kung medyo natagalan ng ating pagliligpit ng ating card na ginamit sa ating file number 1. Kung ito ang napili mo, so ito ang iyong luminous card, okay? So, gawin muna natin is light lang tayo saglit ng sage para ma-clear yung energy since yung same card din or same deck din yung gagamitin natin na ginamit natin sa ating file number 1. Okay. So, file number 2, kumusta kayo? I hope ayos lang kayo. Sa ating mga new viewers, welcome. Okay. Thank you. Okay, so titingnan natin. Sino ba tong person na to na gustong mag-confess sa'yo? Gustong magtapat? Whether nang nararamdaman niya o may gustong sabihin sa'yo. So, titingnan natin. Okay? So, kung ito yung napili mo, file number 2, third house perception number 3. Okay? You can be an athlete ha. Meron akong nakuha agad na athlete or kumakanta. Okay? O pwedeng literally mahilig ka sa sapatos. Okay? So, pwedeng you can be an earth sign kasi pwedeng overthinker ka. Okay? Can be this person is nakilala mo sa social media or sa dating site. Okay. Pwedeng ikaw ay Libra kasi sociable or earth sign. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay? Very sociable. O mahilig ba kapag socialize na type of a person or pwedeng ito yung person na yon na mahilig makipag-socialize, mahilig makipag-usap. You can be on a dating right now or sa dating site mo kung nakilala. File number 2. Sa dating site, Tinder, ano ba yung dating site? Pwedeng dun mo siya nakilala. Or someone na nakilala mo sa social media. Di ba yung Facebook may dating yon? So, pwedeng dun mo nakilala. Gustong mag-confess sa'yo. Hmm? So, titingnan natin yan lahat. And titingnan din natin ano yung gusto niyang sabihin. Okay, let's start file number 2. Sino yung person na gusto mag-confess sa aking file number 2? Please give me card for file number 2. Sinong gustong mag-confess? Ano na ko nakikita? Gemini. So you can do Gemini or this person is a Gemini. Libation, donation, pray, religion. So you can be religious or this person, pwedeng you can be religious and this person is a street smart or parang medyo liberated yung attitude. Okay? Or vice versa. Pwedeng same kayo ng religion nitong person na to. Let's see. Uy! Robbery! You need to be cautious. O pwedeng may tinatago tong person na to sa'yo, hindi nila sabi ng totoo. Sneaky. Or hiding the truth. Pwedeng ganon. You need to research more about this person. Pwedeng ganyan. Or discuss something. Okay. Let's see. Sino gustong mag-confess sa ating file number 2? Thank you. Daydream. O, diba? Daydream. Illusion. Someone here is being nagkakaroon ng illusion over the other person or parang niro-romanticize niya. Okay? Perception kasi, 'di ba? Perceive. Ano ba yung other word for perception? Perceive. Ano yung pagkakaintindi, ano yung tingin mo, yung outlook mo, yung pakahulugan mo. Kasi meron ako nakikita dito mamaya baka someone here is sneaky. Okay? Someone here is sneaky and parang hindi mo nakikita yung red flag. Okay? File number 2. Dito sa person na to. Huh? Kasi pwedeng ayaw mong mag-judge ng person. That's why parang nagbibigay ka ng benefit of the doubt. Pride. 'Di ba? Pwedeng mababa yung pwedeng this person is a good-looking person. Again, good-looking person. Someone here is egoistic or hindi niya alam kung ano yung self-esteem niya. Someone here is pwedeng mayabang or mataas yung tingin sa sarili niya. Let's see. Sino tong person na to na gusto mag-confess sa aking file number 2? Pwedeng hindi makapag-confess tong person sa'yo kasi pwedeng ma-pride tong person na to. Kaya ang ginagawa na lang, nagde-daydream na lang siya. Itinatago niya yung nararamdaman niya para sa'yo or yung gusto niyang sabihin. Pwedeng yun yung pagiging sneaky niya, yung hindi siya nagsasabi ng totoong nararamdaman niya. Real estate. Investment and wealth. Can be this person is a wealthy or you are wealthy. Okay, you can be a real estate agent or oo, meron ako nakita. Can be this person is a real estate agent? Kasi kung makikita ninyo yung suot nitong pangalawa sa una, pangalawa, corporate attire yan. So, can be significant. Can be a boss or higher up. Okay. Siguro ayaw nito mag-confess sa'yo kasi nagailangan siya mag-confess sa'yo kasi mataas yung position niya. That's fury, offense, madness, and pleasantness. Someone here is mad, galit. Kasi hindi nagiging truthful yung other person. Let's see. Kasi nagiging sneaky yung other person. Ano nakikita dito na may someone who is being sneaky? Let's see. Sino gusto magtapat sa aking file number? 2. Pwedeng different, magkaiba ang perception ninyong dalawa. Itong person na to. File number 2. Pwedeng magkaiba kayo ng ano, ng mind or magkaiba kayo kung paano mag-process. Let's see. Sino gusto mag-confess sa aking file number? 2. Thank you. Illness, disease, weakness, fragility. Uy, someone here is sensitive. Let's see. Sino gusto mag-confess sa akin? File number 2. Curse. Let's see. Sino gusto mag-confess sa akin? File number 2. Memory. Same card like file number 1. Illusion. Stop. Break, pause, stagnation. Stagnant. Pwedeng stagnant yung communication mo dito sa person na to. Or someone is taking a break. Sa connection kasi pwedeng someone here is nag-overthink na naapektuhan na yung health. Pwedeng ganon. Or someone here is galit sa other person kasi hindi honest. Pwedeng no communication to. You need to discuss. Meron kayong kailangan pag-usapan itong person na to. Pwedeng pinangakuan ka nitong person na to pero hindi naman tinutupad. Kasi sino gusto mag-confess or magtapat sa file number 2? Imagination, di ba? Imagination, fantasy, mind. Can be a air sign. Gemini nga, yung nakikita ko kasi. Illusion. Di ba? Imagination. Pwedeng someone here is like file number 1, mina-manipulate. Or parang siguro tong person to nangako sa'yo na bibili tayo ng bahay, nangangako ng relationship sa'yo. Let's see ha, let's see. Sino gustong mag-confess? Magsapat sa akin para number 2. Triumph, success, victory, achievement. Sino gustong mag-confess sa akin para number 2? Faith. Someone here is spiritual. Pwedeng nag-read ng tarot card or someone here is pwedeng sinasabi niya, iniisip mo, yung illusion na nabubuo, kung sino man sa inyong dalawa is iniisip mo na para kayo sa isa't isa. Sa dating too para kayo sa isa't isa. And pwede sigurong tong person na to is ang pinoportray niya sa'yo is religious siya, pero ang totoo is this person is having street life personality. Yung parang ano siya, not formal. Parang ganun. Let's see. Apology. O diba, someone wants to apologize. Pwede kasi pwede sigurong naging deceptive siya dun sa other person. Meron ako nakita dito na galit yung isa kasi baka pinangakuan. Meron pa nga ako na hindi natupad dito. Pwedeng hiningan ng pera at candy. Pwedeng hiningan ng pera kasi pambili ng bahay or something. Let's see. Death na naman. Harm. Bottom of the deck is nightmare. Suffering, darkness. Someone here is pwedeng pinirahan. Someone here is pinangakuan ng ganito, ganyan, bibili tayo ng bahay. Pwedeng nagpadala ng pera since this is a dating. Pwedeng ganon. Sa social media mo to nakilala. Iba ang impact sa other person nung nangyari na nagkakasakit na. Nakakasakit na sa sobrang pag-iisip, sa sobrang stress. Parang pinasakay ka lang nitong person na to. This is an illusion. Illusion connection to. Tingnan natin. Sorry guys. Umiyak yung pusa. 6 of Wands. Diba? Pride again. Ma-pride tong person na to. Pwedeng popular tong person na to. Pwedeng kilala na pwedeng ano to. Pwedeng love scammer. May nalagay ko love scammer. Bakit ganun? Uy! 6 of Cups. Someone wants to apologize. Let's see. This person is prideful. Triumph po, tas reward. Alam mo yon yung parang materialistic tong person na to. Some kind of success or achievement. Tong person na to po pwedeng, sensya na kayo guys sa pusa ko ha. Let's see. Popular po pwedeng mataas ang posisyon nito. Can be a boss nga, sabi ko nga eh. A boss. Page of Swords, communication. This person wants to apologize. Kung sino man yung may kasalanan dito sa dalawang to. Na meron, siguro someone here is parang feeling na ginamit lang over something. Pwedeng money. Okay. O po pwede siguro, ano nga bang tawag dito? If this is a boss related or work related uh, scenario, meron ako nakita dito na someone uses kiniklaim niya yung work ng other person, kiniklaim niya yung, o pwedeng, yung achievement ng other person, can be ha, o, Seven of Wands. If this person apologize sa'yo ha, you must stand your ground. Have a boundary. Or dapat alam mo kung paano mo i-defend yung sarili mo. If this is a work related, pwedeng kababata or pwedeng someone here is memories eh. Someone here is reminiscing eh. Reminiscing again. Let's see. Dating. Three of Cups. Can be a friend. Sa iba ha, sa iba. Can be a Scorpio already ended na. Wala kayong communication nitong person na to. Nag-stop ang communication. No communication. Let's see. Knight of Wands. Fire sign. Charmer na naman. Someone here is mainitin ng ulo, hot-tempered. Siguro may sinabing hindi maganda kaya gusto mag-apologize. Someone here is merong sinabi dun sa other person na hindi maganda kaya gusto mag-apologize. Wants to communicate. Someone wants to communicate sa other person. Queen of Wands. King of Swords. So, Queen of Wands is po pwedeng Pero doon ko nakita na can be, if this person uses you um, to gain success, pwedeng this person is may asawa or pamilyado, can be may girlfriend na or any committed relationship na. High priestess. Someone here is intuitive. If this is about a family and not about love, there is someone here na para bang um, na para bang wants to gain, po pwedeng may pinag-aawayan na property dito. If this is not about love, not about boss or something, there is a property here na pinag-aawayan between whether this is a siblings, okay, or if this is a husband and wife connection, um, someone here is someone here is mahilig makipag-socialize. Mahilig makipag-usap, magaling mang-sway. O pwedeng um, can be a friend. Pero wala kasi akong wala akong love na nakita dito. Someone wants to apologize. Let's see. There is no communication between the two of you. Sobrang dami kasi na nakikita ko. Can be this is a sibling, a friend, a colleague, or a boss want to apologize, want to confess someone na um, kausap mo in dating, okay? O pwedeng kababata din, someone from the past, someone popular. Napakadami eh. Someone wants to apologize. Meron lang akong nakita ditong malinaw na someone wants to apologize. Maraming gustong kumausap sa'yo actually. Kaso nga lang kasi, pwedeng you are guarded or some kind na meron, no communication ka sa kanila eh. Napakahirap mong kausapin right now kasi po pwedeng may pinagdadaanan ka, po pwedeng may sakit ka for some of you or meron kang pinagdadaanan right now kaya ayaw mo makipag-socialize, ayaw mo makipag-usap. Po pwedeng kaibigan to or family member wants to talk to you. Can be a brother or a sister. Let's see. Anong gusto sabihin nito sa pile number 2? Anong gustong sabihin sa ating file number 2? Siguro iniisip ka nitong mga person na to eh. Nag-aalala sa'yo. Definitely, you are wrong. Merong argument between isa sa mga person dito. I'm afraid to talk. I think we should see other people. I have so much desire for you. With the Queen of Wands. You can be popular. Ikaw ang popular. Let's see. Ano gustong sabihin? Itong mga person na to sa file number 2. You are wrong and you are right. I know you from somewhere. O, diba? You can be you can be the popular one. You can be a content creator or some kind of celebrity. Will you choose me? Bottom of the deck. So, siguro someone is thinking if you already someone na, or if you are in a relationship na. So, pwedeng this person is nakakausap mo sa dating site, sa social media. So, let's pull pa. Ilang cards kasi. O, di ba? I already know. Seek professional advice. So, hindi, may pinagdadaan ka, pwede meron kang sakit. I'm afraid to talk to you. Pero number 3 is significant, ha? Can be someone here is nagiging paranoid, losing sleep, thinking na po pwedeng someone is, since popular yung other person, thinking na na there is someone else. Po pwedeng iniisip ng other person na committed ka na somewhere else. Parang ganon. If I follow you, I could lose everything. I'm a very jealous person. Di ba? So, this is a confirmation na someone here is nag-overthink. Kasi siguro, yung other person is may some kind of popularity. Famous ba? Parang ganun. Kilala. Kaya yung ka-date or yung kausap sa social media, na Kasi perception eh. Ibig sabihin, yun yung sa pananaw niya. Kung paano niya nakikita. Pwede siguro siya yung nag-overthink, having an illusion. Okay? This person is obsessed sa'yo. So much desire for you. Want to be intimate sa'yo. For some, yung iba sa inyo. Can be this person, kababata mo, kaklase mo, or kilala ka somewhere. Someone is guarded over the other person. And pwede siguro, ang confession dito is gusto niya sigurong kausapin ka in regards doon sa, sa maling tingin niya sa'yo. Okay? Baka ginudge ka niya. Parang ganon. Kaya this person wants to apologize. Kasi you're very beautiful with the Queen of Wands. And itong person na to is overthinker with the King of Swords, can be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Overthinker to isip ng isip. Pwedeng no communication kayo with the Death card. Ayaw mong replyan. With the Fate here, or sabi natin tarot card, nanguhula. Hinuhulaan niya na, ay baka tong person na to, gato. Perceptive niya, perception eh. So po pwedeng naging paranoid tong person na to, nag-isip ng hindi maganda sa'yo. Hindi siya makapaniwala. Naging sneaky. Iniisip niya na sneaky ka sa kanya. Kasi if you are the one who is popular or some kind of content creator, tapos nagalit ka kasi ginudge ka niya. Okay? Pwedeng someone is praying na magkaroon kayo ulit ng connection kasi po pwedeng kinat off mo to with the Death card here. In-stop mo yung communication mo sa kanya kaya itong person na to is gusto kang kausapin kaso natatakot siya na kausapin ka. Kasi baka i-reject mo siya. You can be a wealthy person with the real estate here. You can be a wealthy person, popular, mataas ang, kumbaga siguro mas mataas yung status mo kaysa dito sa person na to. Kaya, ginudge ka niya ng ganun. Iba yung perception niya. Gusto mag-sorry nitong person na to. Sa'yo, pile number 2. Kung sino man makaka-resonate sa inyo. Gusto niya mag-sorry kasi ginudge ka niya. Wala kayo ba nakikita? Sabi mo siguro sa kanya, you are wrong. Mali ka sinasabi mo both sa akin. You should seek professional advice kasi you are being delusional. Siguro sabi mo ng ganun. Kung ano-ano iniisip mo. Kaya kinatop mo siguro tong person na to. Diba? I think we should see other people. So, siguro na-realize mo na I think I should see other people kaysa sa'yo. If you are still dating this person. Siguro tong person to is nagiging obsessed sa'yo. Okay? You know your worth? Siguro toxican ka dito sa person na to eh. At po pwede this person hindi niya alam yung worth niya kaya naghahabol to sa'yo. Right? Siguro siya yung nagsasabi na you are right. So mga sinabi, ikaw yung nagsasabi ng totoo, parang ganon. Na-offend ka siguro doon sa sinabi niya sa'yo. Pwedeng ginudge ka nga nito eh. Na-offend siya sa'yo. Ay, na-offend siya. Na-offend ka sa kanya kasi nga ginudge ka niya. Huh? Siguro iniisip mo na this person is some kind of illness. Mental illness. This person wants to apologize sa'yo. Hindi siya siguro makapaniwala na someone like you, popular person, is makakausap niya. Someone like you na pogi, maganda, or something na popular, content creator, or anything, is makakausap. Or something, sabihin natin popular on something. This person wants to apologize. Ayun yung confession. Gusto niya mag-sorry. Kasi, ginudge ka niya. Inusgahan ka niya. Okay, so pa number 2, I hope nag-resonate sa inyo yung ating reading. And I'm so sorry kung medyo uh, medyo kalat yung reading kasi sobrang daming energy na pumapasok. Medyo sobrang daming gustong makipag-usap sa'yo, makipag-connect sa'yo, family member, friend, meron akong nakitang ganun, okay. Siguro sobrang hirap ma-reach out ka o makausap ka kasi pwedeng some kind of popularity ka nga or meron kang wealthy ka kasi sobrang hirap mong i-reach, sobrang hirap mong makasama, mahanap, o pwedeng ganun eh. So, I hope resonated sa inyo. If you are new to our channel, you consider subscribing. And kung hindi resonated sa inyo, okay lang. Okay? So, pwede kang bumalik sa ating file number 1 kung hindi resonated yung number 2. Okay, so hindi ko napapahabain. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Abangan niyo yung aking susunod na upload. Okay, pwedeng sa Friday. Okay, so maraming salamat again. This is Maria and this is Lalo na Tarot. Bye!